So we grab this like this. You can see there's zero play. Now, a lathe that's been really used, when you move this like this, it'll move. I mean, it's not going to move a lot, but you can feel it. You absolutely cannot feel anything here. We go back to the same on the back side, and it's the same thing. It's good. It's a good sign. Now, this is the back gear right here. I'm going to push that out and down, and then we're going to engage this like that. And now, see how slow it's turning? And this is the geared section. Now, we've got it, that's as slow as it'll go. But for cutting threads, you want it to go slow, and that's where you use that back gear. Pull it back, this thing just comes out. Release that. We need to pull this up. Fat fingers. Can't get my hand in there to lift it up. Your daughter got small hands?
You want me to try?
That's not engaging.
Let me try.
Yeah.
You lift it out this way, or?
It comes out this. Yeah. You may have to move this to get it cut. There we go. Okay. Now it's far from perfect, but it's in incredible shape. Obviously came out of somebody's hobby workshop because they built the case, and they're also, that's a knurling tool. It's brand new. That's an eBay $120. Boring bar, angled boring bar, left hand turning tool, cutoff tool, tool bits, lots of them. Carbide tip bits and used bits. This, there's the chuck key. The rest of it, it's a boring bar insert for doing internal work. Rest of that junk. This is a set of outside jaws, and these go like this so that you can clamp the OD instead of the ID. Head center, drill chuck, cone center, tooling sleeve, that's to adapt one size to another. Or if you have taper shank drills so that you can bore with the same thing. And gears. There's a big community of people who collect these things on eBay, and so parts are readily available, odds and ends.
Okay.
The one thing that I do not see here